Remember when we had the party, everyone was there. We tried to talk to everybody as they moved to their favorite chair. And when the mood was right for music, we played a grand old time. And the crowd was free and happy, singing their familiar lines. Now I feel so glad about it. Thank you for everything. And just to sit and think about it, that crazy old routine. So what I pray for tonight is the chance that we got it right. And what I know after today is that we still have a lot to say. So climb aboard this magic ride. We're gonna go see what's inside. Never wondered why it happened, we just knew that it would. Someone told us to keep on going, so we loved doing what we could. And now the world seems so much older, or like it just began. Making something out of nearly nothing, we know you really can. Now I feel so glad about it. Thank you for everything. And just to sit and think about it, that crazy old routine. So what I pray for tonight is the chance that we got it right. And what I know after today is that we still have a lot to say. So climb aboard this magic ride. We're gonna go see what's inside. So what I pray for tonight is the chance that we got it right. And what I know after today is that we still have a lot to say. So climb aboard this magic ride. We're gonna go see what's inside. So what I pray for tonight is the chance that we got it right. And what I know after today is that we still have a lot to say. So climb aboard this magic ride. We're gonna go see what's inside. So what I pray for tonight is the chance that we got it right. And what I know after today is that we still